Hi, it's Pope Studio. I'm going to do a Blender tutorial on how to make your face clear by removing your dark spots. Let's we start. I have two things on image and video. First, I'm going to do it in image and transfer it to a video. To transfer the video, it is easy because we want to track only the mask, and the settings are similar to this. Okay, we can start that. First we start a new starter file and go to composition. It's use nodes and backdrop. The render layer is not used for us because we're using only image. To for this we need shift A to have a pop-up menu. It's an input and image, and fix it here and open the image. I have it in desktop. It's that image. We need a viewer nodes, same like this, but in output viewer node. Fix it here and connect this to, you can see this image. I want to mask this image for 2. I have 2 segregation for this because this area is very high area but small dark spots, but this have small dark spots but with the high intensity. First you go to UV image editor in downside. Okay, we add this image and change this to mask. First you want to create a mask, hold Ctrl and click here and hold Ctrl again and click those points to mask your image. To close this, press Alt C. It will close automatically the loop. We can name it as big, and for this it is only the mask. We need a feather mask because it will give a blur effect on the end to move this to this, so we use a feather effect. So we need to click this any point on the mask and hold on shift and left click on there and drag it. There is a feather. This green color mask is a feather mask. Okay, we need to another mask, name it as small. Okay, now let's press T to tab and add circle. For this, add the circle here. Grab a circle to the point of the dark spots because it has more intensity value, so you have to scale it down and grab this and place it here. Shift A to duplicate that and hold there one and there one. It is so big, so scale it down and grab that. Okay, now the two masks are recreated. Then go to node editor where move this composition nodes to there and view nodes to there. Here. Okay, we need to add a scale because if the images and the mask is different, we have a different output goes, so we have to scale it and to render size, and then we need to add a filter and blur, add a blur effect and color mix. and for this we need to take alpha over also. And for mask we have to input and mask. First we select the mask big. I selected the mask big and duplicate the scale for the same for mask also. Put in here and blur effect where we need to mix this. We need to connect the scale into alpha over. Okay, it's now you have to small down the fact value on the mask and see this. The mask is up here, but it is 2 layer alpha. For the mask the image will appear for the unmask this image for white. For to fill this, hold the image and drop it to there. You can see all. For this we need to go for blur effect. Okay, now we will disconnect this to view these things only. Okay, enter the blur value to 20 and y-axis also 20. For this it is so blur. Then we now connect this and see how the effect is. It is good, but it looks like some blurrish, so we need to mix the need to use the mix nodes. For this also connect the image from the scale to drop it down here and increase the fact value. That is something good. Yeah, it's look like realistic, but how you need you can use this. For 0.3 it is more realistic, or no, 0.2 it's looking very realistic because it is the blur effect is light but the dark spots will go. Okay, now we have to add the another mask we created small. To this select this two and shift D for duplicate the mask nodes. Cancel this and add the small mask. For this we have the in paint method. First you need to add in paint in this in filter. Okay, and we need a set alpha. Search it for a set. Yeah, it's comes set alpha and hold here. For this we need to add another alpha over because sorry. Okay, use this another alpha value and make it the alpha range to fast image and make the image to the viewer node. For this it will fully blackish because the mask is not using here. Use the small mask for the fact value. Here we can see the is will gone because we need this area is white, this image is white. We need to take this and say due to set alpha and the image to in paint and the set alpha and the in paint to the second image. Oh, it's wrongly connected. Yes, now it comes. Now we want to increase the in paint value. Increase this 1 2 3 4, but it's not working because the invert is not be using this for the invert value. So we need to add an invert from color. Use the invert for the color. Leave it the color to white because it comes such white and contract. To increase the value, yeah, we need to use this fact value for the mask. The mask, we use the fact value to there, and it's gone. Go to the distance 0, and you can see, and to the 2 it will going down some, contract the dark spots in your face, and going small. To that we go to high distance, it will gone. Yes, it's looking very realistic, and then it's the dark spots, it's gone here. Yeah, we can compose it to this. For this we can to connect this image to composite, so only render. If you leave this to viewer nodes, it occurs any this. Okay, we can render this. Yeah, it's very clear. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like this. I have going to do another tutorial on how to smooth up your skin. I'll give you next.